Wow. And here I start my track. My first steps on the Appalachian Trail. Oh, I'm sorry. That's a big wish. I'm at Ritchie Woods Nature Preserve, Fishers, Indiana. And in the summer, it's going to be a beautiful place. I'm just checking it out, seeing what it's like. Man, it's going to be great. Sorry about the cold. Yeah, I think I missed a muddy trail back there. No great loss though. Shoot. I'm not going down no mud if I can help it. All right. That's a nice little pavilion. Oh yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. That is nice. Nice restrooms down here. And there's a trail to somewhere. Whatever. Hey, it's so pretty out through there. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Just there's the trail. Trying to find one more. I think I'm gonna try this one right here. Beach Hollow Loop. None of these bad. This ain't no hill and humpy dump through here. Could be worse with mud. It's soft, but it's not horrible yet. Oh man, look at all them down trees. I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be one beautiful preserve. And all the leaves are on the trees. Oh my, this is gonna be beautiful this summer. Wow. Just all these tall, spindly little trees. Wow. This is cool. Yeah. Yeah, not a big place. You can't spend a lot of time here unless you just want to sit down and do nothing. Even the few little trails there are, it's not much here. But the beauty of this place is the potential for this summer and every summer. Just incredible. Wow. Easy hike. You couldn't bring a wheelchair down through here, but you could probably walk down through here with a cane or something that you might need. There's several roots in the trail. Here's a little rooty pass right there. The bridge over a creek. Man, there's a bridge up there. I don't even know where I am. Let's see. That other one up there don't even show up on the map. I don't reckon. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Okay, that's way up there. Yeah. Okay. Past this one. Okay. Look like I'm gonna pass another bridge or two here in a bit. Trail, I could take that one right up there. But I don't have time for that. This is just a scouting trip. Like I say, a few little roots and bumps and about a 4 or 5 foot incline right there. We'll just follow this creek for a little bit. See what it's like. Oh yeah. I mean, this won't even be bad for like poison ivy or stuff. I mean, there's no real undergrowth here right now. And once it gets overgrown up above, it'll kind of keep out the weeds. Yeah, there's that. And there's that. Oh yeah, man, this is gonna be, well, for as much rain as we've had recently, the old creek's just barely flowing. A little bit of water there. Yeah. You know, one thing I never did like is the people that just keep the camera pointed at their face. And the only thing you can see is their face while they're talking. And the whole point of following somebody as they're walking the trail so you can see what they see. And that's the reason I've got this camera pointed in the direction I'm going instead of at my face. It ain't no pretty thing anyway. But if I were, it just ain't the right thing to do. I hate them people. No, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I don't like the way people just keep camera in their face the whole time they're talking and walking. You have no idea what they're looking at. Well, man, this is just beautiful. Yeah, it's getting in a little muddy. It's been over, the banks have overflowed or something. It's a kind of a low-lying area here. I'm into some mud. Oh yeah, I probably should have took the trail that runs up over on that high side, because I'm in the valley and man, it's just getting soppy muddy here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig the mud out of these diggers. Oh my word, this is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Here we go. Wish I didn't have this cold and have to keep snuffing my nose up. Yeah, here we come. We're all the way to the end. Kind of gonna do their head back to the front. So it's not a big place. Oh, let's see. Creek Ridge Trail. Here's the there's a graveyard out here. Let's just go to the graveyard and see what it's like. I think I'm going to enjoy walking this place this summer. Just getting to see everything. Man, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Here we go again. Right back down in the mud. I should have stayed back up there. Should have forgot this cemetery thing. But what's a little mud, I guess. Now, when it comes to water in the mud, I'm not sure about that. That's nasty. Yeah. Yeah, I might really want to turn back here. Oh boy. I know it says stay on trail, but I should have picked a better day to do this. Oh boy. Now you can see me out in front. And do not proceed beyond that point. Ritchie Woods is a state designated nature preserve. Yeah, stop the video. Read what you can there. I'm going on. Yes, sir. The old creek's right back over there. Alright. Well, okay. Well, I probably should have stuck to that high trail up there again. Yeah, I picked a bad trail again. Creek's over here to my left. This creek just makes a big old loop or something. This could be an issue. Maybe with some less than agile people. Yeah, well, I'm gonna start spinning my wheels. I'm gonna have to put it in 4-wheel drive here in a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob, sir. I ain't having nothing but fun. Except I've done walked all day for 10 hours. Part near, and I'm just about tuckered out. Ready to get these old clodhoppers off my feet and sit down in the easy chair for a bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Which is one dumb reason why I don't have a clue why I'm out here. Except it is such a beautiful day. It's 50, a little in the low 50s, mid 50s. Sun's is shining. I haven't seen the sun shine forever. Oh yeah. Would you just look at that? Oh yeah. Oh my word. Nice little creek there. Oh. I don't care what. Yeah, bump around a little bit. See how that works. Yeah. Would you just look at that? Oh yeah. You might even get a kayak down it today. A day or two you won't, but yeah. Yeah, just nothing but barren woods. But oh, like I say, the beauty of this place in the summer is just going to be immaculate. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Can't wait to come back in a few months. Leaves are green. Got a little bit of, oops, trip there. Need to watch where I'm stepping and not where I'm going. Yeah, we're up. Oh, we're up. I don't know. Probably elevation wise, we're probably up a good 30 feet off that lower section down there. Probably a good 30, maybe a little 35. Trying to think. Yeah. Could be 40, but I don't know. Oh, here's a cemetery. Man, I bet you just bypass the thing before you can know it's there. Man, you can't. Huh. Well, it's a teeny thing. Not a whole lot of people here, and you can't read nothing. I think I'm upside down to that one. That's all broke. Something over there. There's a gate, but I'm pretty sure nobody's trying to get out. And I doubt that anybody's going to be getting in. You can't read any dates on this stuff. Anything really. It's really dilapidated. Really, it's a shame. Really, it's a crying shame. Things like that. Oh boy, I don't know if I can get this zoomed in or not. Way out there's a little waterfall. Way out there. Oh yeah. Not real clear. That's pretty cool. I can hear it way over here. It's going over a fallen tree. Oh yeah. Here we go again. Man, I like it up here. It's still muddy, but not like the valley. And try to check my map every now and again. Oops, now that's muddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna straight right through the mud here. And see if I can check my trail here. Where am I coming around to? Okay, I'm leaving the... Okay, just past the graveyard. Come up here and make a left. And, oh yeah. I ain't had nothing but fun out here right now. Except I'm tuckered out, like I said. Love to go home and eat some old biscuits and gravy, but you know how it is when you got to make your own biscuits and gravy. You don't feel like doing it after 10 hours of work and 2-mile walk. 10-mile drive. No sirree, Bob, sir. Yeah. Well, whatever. Got a lot of fallen stuff here, man. At least they cleaned it up off the trail. It's beautiful. Man, that's a lot of stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. See this vine that's right there and goes way up like that. Well, back when I was a kid, we used to cut those off down up just, I don't know, a few feet off the ground. Get one of them things. Man, I'm telling you, you could swing. Oh, they're just I think we call them grapevines. It's not poison. Man, you could swing, have a blast. If you get a good open spot around one of those things, you could have just an blast all day long. And then after, I don't know, a month or so, it just get, because you cut the vine, you end up cutting the juice off of it, so then you end up drying up and kind of pulling out of the tree. So then you had to go find you a new one. Huh. Looks like I got me a new seat or a hay stall here. Maybe Jesus manger. I don't know. He's weird. Okay. Come into another trail. Okay. Let's see this one. Guess Beach Hollow Trail and Creek. Okay, I want Beach Hollow. Which one's that? Okay, I need to go to the Beach Hollow. This will get me out of here. Huh. Well, it goes that way. From where I've been, I need to make a left. And if I do that, it puts me, I don't know. Whatever. I need to come off of this and make a left. Something don't make sense. Creek Ridge is blue and I'm just coming off of that, so I need to make a left. But I don't know where that one goes because it says the same thing. Well, Nothing like getting lost out in the teeny tiny nature preserve and you can see for a mile. No, not quite. And then if it wasn't such a pretty day, I might have gone the other way. This pink here, Hickory Trail. See, that's the one I don't want, Hickory Trail. It's not today. I mean, I do want it. I want to hit every trail in this place this summer, hopefully. Man, this is just gorgeous. Yeah, this is where I wanted to go. Right up there's the parking lot. Looks like. And that will bring me into the shed. This will bring me in Beach Hollow and Hickory Trail. Hickory Trail takes me that way. This says Orchard Trail. Hickory Trail. Beach Loop. That's 6 1/2 dozen the other, and I'm having such a blast out here. And I got a few more minutes on my video. I'm just going to go the long way. Enjoy getting me some vitamin D. At least on my hands a little bit. Kind of covered up. It is, like I say, low to mid 50s. Got a jacket on, a cap on. A little bit cool. Yeah, if you're out here in short sleeves, you're gonna be one of them gals sweat all the time, I think, or whatever. Oh yeah. Some people's just like that tree, they're always asking why. Why? Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna get on with it. I'm having the time of my life. Yes, sir. This little walk's about over. And like I say, I am having the time of my life. I am. Coming back around to the parking lot here in a minute. Get back in this thing. Head home. Yes, sirree. Yeah, coming back. Yeah, I'm coming back. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful here. Get the overgrowth. Yes, sirree. Don't mind me. Oh. Well. Oh yeah, they say that's a deep subject. Come down around here. And let's see. Come down here and come out right by the shed. And it looks like I gotta go straight on past the shed. Oh yeah. What a day that will be. With my Jesus, I will see. When I look upon his face, the one who saved me, and by his grace, when he takes me by the hand and leads me through that promised land. Oh, what a day. Glorious day that will be. And up there, I won't be bound by these sorry vocal cords. I will be free to sing Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. 'Twas blind, but now I see. Oh, His grace has led me this far, and grace, His grace, will lead me home. Praise the Lord. Well, if I could find a shortcut to the parking lot, I'd do that. But for some unknown reason, I got, oh, there's a outhouse there. For some reason. I didn't want to go back to the restrooms. I'm gonna go back up here and see where this goes. Because this looks like it's not going in the direction I want it to go. Restrooms and shelter and orchard trail. Yeah, whatever. Orchard trail, 1/10 of a mile. Yeah, whatever. Oh, I see some cars. Yeah, go home, get these muddy shoes off, kick my feet up. Enjoy. Oh yeah. Yeah, man, this place is a picnic. You can, oops, that's some mud there. You got big old logs. Girl Scouts, you can just come out here and have a picnic anytime. There's several places right here at the beginning you can picnic. Huh? Yeah, you probably don't want to take that orchard trail. It's quite the mud. Probably don't want to do that one. Alright, I'm back to where I started. I'm going to call this thing quits. I've sure enjoyed it.